Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious meringue roulade. We begin by preparing the meringue base. You'll need 4 large egg whites and 200 grams of castor sugar. Whip the egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks, then carefully fold in the sugar. Remember, clean, grease-free equipment is crucial for achieving that perfect airy texture. This careful preparation sets the stage for a light and delightful dessert. Once your meringue mixture is ready, spread it evenly onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake it in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. You want the meringue to be crisp on the outside but still a little soft and pliable in the center. After baking, let it cool completely on the parchment paper. This helps maintain its flexibility for rolling later. Now for the exciting part, the filling. The beauty of a meringue roulade is its versatility. You can choose classic options like freshly whipped cream and seasonal berries, or perhaps a tangy lemon curd. Gently spread your chosen filling evenly over the cooled meringue, leaving a small border of about 2 centimeters around the edges. This prevents the filling from oozing out when you roll it. Finally, it's time to roll your masterpiece. Carefully use the parchment paper to help you gently roll the meringue from one of the long edges. Don't worry if it cracks a little, that's part of its rustic charm. Once rolled, transfer it to a serving platter. For an elegant touch, dust generously with powdered sugar. Serve your beautiful meringue roulade immediately or chill it for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.